folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am in Independence, Wisconsin with my great friend Bill, who is awesome when it comes to the Profab boiler system. So Profab is going to include the Cozeburn and the Empyre line. Profab also fabricated Pelco boilers as well. So he is probably the most knowledgeable person in the industry that I know, specifically when it comes to Profab boilers, but also when it just comes to overall boiler questions. So we're going to go through a series of topics today to cover all of your guys' questions when it comes to the units and replacing the parts. Can you talk a little bit about like wiring and maybe bringing an electrician out and what an electrician should be looking for on a unit that's right?
There's a control box that the wire comes in from the fuse box. The wire on the front air fans comes along the side of the stove and goes into the control panel.
Okay.
Most of the time, the wiring in the control panel will burn up. Down where the wire comes through the side of the stove, the electrician can usually hook onto there, come up. On the back of your owner's manual, it'll show pretty much how this can be wired. Now this has got the float switches in it. This is an older style, but we don't need this. If the float switches are bad, we'll go right into those float switches. If the float switches are bad, we got to unhook the red wires off of these controllers up here. That's where we put the retrofit float in.
Okay.
We can maybe talk about that later.
Yes.
But typically, if these controls, this wire burns up, this burns up, this and the switches, the wiring is completely gone in that control panel.
And so the electrician would then need to rewire the entire unit?
Yep, need to rewire the entire unit. It's best to have an electrician do it because they've got the gauges or the meters that they can wire it with.
Okay.
It works the best.
Okay. If you guys find these product overviews helpful, if you enjoy seeing this information, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up, you guys. That helps me so much. It keeps me traveling on the road to produce more videos for you guys. Also, do not forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. If you click that little bell there, that'll notify you of all of the latest videos. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.